Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Marketing Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Marketing Cloud, begin by visiting the official Adobe website. Locate the sign in option in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Sign In to access your account. Enter your Adobe ID and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, select the Get Started or Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to create a new account, providing necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the Adobe Marketing Cloud section. Select the product or service you wish to activate. Review your organization's details and subscription status. If prompted, confirm your agreement to the terms and conditions. Proceed to the activation page for your chosen service. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter any required activation codes. If you have already received an email confirmation, check for activation instructions. Ensure that all prerequisites are met for successful activation. After completing all steps, click on the Activate button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating successful activation. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Once activated, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features. Begin utilizing Adobe Marketing Cloud for your marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.